Molweni namkelekile nonke kwezi Chisabhe Entertainment guys. Before singene ke kule video, I just want to wish ke uMabiyela a beautiful happy birthday. Uye wapostwa ke indoda yakhe ekungu Mpumelelo Mseleku esitsho into ba happy birthday makoti wakwithi. They are together. Why am I saying wakwithi as if I'm speaking Pondo? Wakithi guys, I'm so sorry about that. Happy birthday makoti wakithi. They are together, and even ke uMayeni has wished ukoti a happy birthday. Nanku ke comment yakhe siyayibona ubhalile wathi happy birthday koti. So I wish usuku lakhe angalonwabela. Now uMpumelelo Mseleku uye waposta ke izolo esemzumbe guys. Please take a look at this video, then I'll be back shortly.
Izineskipha siyasho. Yabona wile Mzumbe. Washo ubaba wathi uMzumbe ufile. Kulungile sengikhona ke. Ngizowuvusayo manje uMzumbe ke mina ke. Lo muntu bafowethu amathanga azobuyela esikolweni. Zindlu izoba right bafowethu sekifikile mina manje qathatha.
Let us hope uMpumelelo is not playing jokes on us okanye uyenzela nje just ke social media le video agqiba ukuyenza ngomzumbe. Siyambona uTata Mseleku akaphathekanga kakuhle neze about the fact that ke umzumbe ufile. The wives don't seem to be caring about ke lento eyenzakalayo emzumbe. Bona bazivuyelela nje into ba they've moved out and bahlala emasababzini okwamanje. So abantu abaninzi were congratulating ke uSibindi for being man enough to go back. Bayatsho into ba that is why you seem to be a favorite kababa wakho ekungutata Mseleku. I also saw one comment ke isithi you're only coming back because you saw the episode where your dad says to Macele that uLwandle must come back to Umzumbe to restore, renovate and live there. But abantu ke aba responded to that comment. It's not like uLwandle uyohlala kuyo yonke lemizi mos. So naye uMpumelelo angakwazi ukuvusa umuzi kaMayeni. Let's not make it a competition njengoba abantu sebezoyenza ngoku i competition between the two sons. Khona ke omnye othe ungalilungisi alibulawanga wena hamba nje uyoziphuzela liyovuswa ilo owalibulala. Then Mpumelelo responds and says inkinga angiphuzi eish. So he's really keen about ukuvusa ke ikubo. So yeah guys, nazo indaba ze horror. What are your thoughts on this? Ngiyacela let's engage one another and ngizonibona shortly. Bye guys.